Oh, you're recording now. Wait. Hello.
Right.
We're here today to build temples of the mass destruction.
Harry's choice.
Oh.
Do we need to explain what Harry's skin is? Or...
3, 2, 1, go.
Okay, go.
It's a hazmat suit.
Yeah, everyone's like, I see what you did there.
Ah.
Can't place blocks. What up? For God's sake. What is this? Oh, the cruel world. Why'd you do this to me?
Well, why did you just stop me?
Because everyone needs to be up.
All around me are familiar. I still need to upload that. I'm about 2 weeks late. Oh yeah, I forgot to ask my parents if we could go to watch the movie. That's why I actually went downstairs for. I just like sat down. Just like
God.
made myself a
Oh God, what am I doing here?
Yeah guys, we'll do a movie review. Oh my god, I'll take my video recorder. Well, I'll have to like hide it when we get to the cinema. Like, my god, we can make millions off a pirated film. Actually, no, that's a bad idea.
Shouldn't say that.
Nah, I never said that. What do you mean? Can you like put some music over that part? Or do you not have the technical skills? Yeah.
Beep it out.
Yeah, guys, we'll do a movie review. Like, I'll start recording when we get there, because I look like a total idiot. Just stood out.
Well, no, actually, Conor will be recording it because he doesn't want his face shown.
Oh yeah, Conor will be holding the camera, man. And we'll be stood talking like total retards with cameras outside Cineworld. If anyone asks, we're journalists, okay? That's the cover story.
Like journalists. And then
A journalist doing a movie review.
Rhys
And I need to go.
records it all and then puts it on his website.
Yeah. I'll get a cut out of a red spot and that's gonna be like, what are you doing? I'm a journalist. I don't know what I'm watching on TV. Dash shouldn't have TV on.
I don't know what the Super is.
We need to do another podcast soon. And I want to record it because then I can edit out the stupid bits where we just sit like awkward silence moments.
Yeah. We should do about an hour's worth of recording, and then.
I'll do it, then I'll upload it every night.
Yeah. And then, could you like make it so it's just like a plain picture?
Yes, I can. Because
That won't take long.
it's better than Windows Movie Maker.
You should see I'm not the editor here.
I am the editor here. I have the skills that pay the bills.
He's the only one that has got editing software.
I'm the only one who knows how to edit decently. Harry can animate and like.
I can't.
Okay.
No, I can't animate. No. You got no person.
You're an okay editor.
I can't do
Me?
anything.
Or Conor.
Yeah, you are. You're okay. Connor's okay. I can't say Connor's brilliant, but he's okay.
I haven't ever edited anything.
You've edited some stuff for channel, haven't you?
No.
Okay.
So, in case we haven't said already, temples.
I did say.
Harry did
well.
say Connor.
Oh well. In case they wasn't listening then.
Plus, I've just got back from Rome. Well, a cruise which went to Rome.
Nobody cares!
Everyone just stopped listening when I reminded them something they already heard.
Yep, it's your fault, Con.
Okay.
I know. If anyone asks why we stood outside Cineworld with cameras, we can say it's for school. We have to do a review.
No, you're allowed to record outside. It's just inside.
I know, but we'll look like utter retards with cameras.
We can go inside McDonald's and record.
Just order Happy Meals, sit there with the little crayon things, and then get the camera out and just start recording, talking about a movie. Oh, classic. That'd be amazing. Going up to McDonald's and going, can I have a McDonald's, please?
Can I have a McDonald's, please?
Hello, what can I get you from McDonald's? Can I have McDonald's?
Can I have a Pizza Hut?
I did that last time me, Jack and Ryan went to McDonald's. I went, yeah, can I have McDonald's please? And they were like, yeah, if you want. Well, what else are you going to give me? Bloody Costa coffee. Could have gone next door to bloody KFC.
Even PC World's selling now.
I got lost in PC World.
How'd you get lost in PC World?
Have you ever been to the one in London?
No.
It is as big as town. Honestly, it is ginormous. I had to get someone to help me get my way out. I told my dad, oh yeah, I'll be back in 5 days. I'm just gonna go and have a look in here. We're like, okay, son. So I'll go trotting in. Nothing else. Thinking, no, it's not gonna be good. Nothing's gonna go wrong. And I got lost.
You can tell this is Speedbuild's the place for good stories. But what we'll soon be making the podcast, but and you can get good stories then, probably.
Yeah.
Like we'll try and get Aaron on and tell him a story about the curtains.
Oh god.
Like we'll occasionally have special guests, but it will most likely be us and then Stephen if he's on, which might not be that often.
Random people we can pull off the street. Go get Jack on it.
Oh god. Do you remember Mr. Toaster? You are a loyal fan.
That's the taste. We know 2 Jacks with crappy mics.
2 different spellings of Jacks there.
Ooh. Clever.
One's a very stupid way of saying it, and one's the normal way.
Yeah, but the weird thing is, the stupid way of spelling it is not as stupid as the normal way of spelling it. I'm sorry if that was really loud, I just dropped my iPod.
Wait, I'd say it.
If you're wondering what that noise is, I just coughed. Sounding a little...
I don't think they've met Flappy Jack, have they?
Flappy Jack. That sounds terrible. Flappy Jack.
He makes flapjacks for a living.
Yeah, he works down at bakery.
No, he works down at McDonald's. I think they sell flapjacks there now.
Yeah, they do. No, he made one in food tech.
Always the place where you make food.
Meh.
What text pack are you using, Conor?
It's all about specs these days, isn't it?
If my stacks would work, yeah, it would be.
I've not got one. I'm so... It's the only way to play I'm stuck. It's the only way to play Minecraft full screen. Just wondering.
F11.
Oh, this is so much nicer.
It closes Harry's game down.
Yeah, because he's on a crappy Mick laptop. Oh, I said Mick.
But I'll be getting a new computer in a couple of days.
Really?
3rd of September.
It's not a crappy family one, is it?
No,
Hmm.
it's a proper gaming computer.
Me or Conor will come on webcam with you and then we'll have a look at it. We'll compare computers. Hold on, I didn't actually just hear it. Did you say gaming or family?
Gaming.
Mm,
My family's gonna have this laptop.
God help them.
It's not actually bad.
I think my family could have my laptop, but it crashed just going on Internet Explorer.
No, my laptop isn't actually bad.
Yeah, it's better than mine, I promise.
Like it can run good. It can run Borderlands and stuff in medium graphics.
Yeah, but it does take about 5 minutes to load. I mean, Conor are like on the other side of the map, getting ready to move into a different place. Like just about spawned. McParkington. This is a temple honoured to pork.
How long have you had your computer now, Rhys?
No.
How long left, Ruth?
Oh shit. Well, Maramba hasn't played, so 4 minutes. Meh. Meh. Did everybody enjoy the Olympics?
I did. I like the 100 meters was probably my favourite bit.
The shooting was for me, but that's probably obvious why.
If you don't know, well, I think you do know Rhys does shooting.
I am professional.
Yeah.
Sorry, I had a bit of a cold.
He's going in the Olympics when he's
I'm going in the Olympics.
old enough.
God, I'm sorry. It's just this pork it's pickled pork. And I keep
What are you
picking
on
it
about
up.
pork for?
I don't know. I'm hungry and I made a pork temple. I'm hungry. I'll go get an ice pop.
Oh God. Are they coming back? Used to have them every day.
Not their ones. Normal rocket lollies from Morrison's. Rocket lollies. Screenshot. Don't know what music I've got in my head, but I was listening to my iTunes playlist earlier, and there's so much crap on it. I was like trying to find AC/DC for like 10 minutes. I've got like 2,000 something songs on my iPods, and I never thought of actually clicking search. Because I'm smart enough. Yeah. Pork. Pork, pork. Pork is just a miracle. Bum, 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 bum. What are your temples dedicated to?
Butter pants.
Connor's looks terrible. Butter pants terrible.
What?
Butter pants. Lovely.
Yes. Butter pants are the best thing in the world.
Mine are going to be to pork pants. I don't like them apples.
I don't.
I don't like them at all. Oh, water pants. Block of diamonds. My dream pants.
Damn. Wouldn't that weigh you down a lot though?
Yeah. Huh? Milk. Doesn't matter. It's dirty, so I'm not going to say it. I'll tell you afterwards.
Okay.
I'm sure loads of data-minded people out there could have easily thought of what I was going to say. I'm done.
How long left?
I don't know, but Miranda's not playing yet, so 1 minute 21. What the hell?
What?
I want to guess what? It's terribly uneven.
Oh God, not another thing.
Butter pants, butter pants, butter pants, butter pants.
It's 8 on each side.
Yeah, the portal thing's uneven. You look stupid.
Thank you.
It's okay. It's okay, friend. I just need to dig them out. I keep getting harassed by people on Skype. They like talk to me like, hi, and I'm like, go away.